my name is Bami Patel and I'm associated with the Culinary Academy of India. This year we have decided to give India a boost. India में जो मिठाई है वो पूरी दुनिया में नहीं है. The varieties we have is unbelievable. All this time we've been talking about European confectionery, but this time we are showcasing what India has. And India has, we have right now 430 varieties. There are much more varieties left, but we could not place that. So I hope everybody enjoys it, and the press will give the good coverage so that everybody can see the items in detail.
This is Chef Atik here. So we are teaching confectionery since 1996, the only college in the country who talks about giving such kind of training in 1996, understanding that halwai chefs also requires such kind of intense training. When we do research on how many desserts that I can present, whether you believe or not, it's such a learning experience. Even for us, there are about 400 odd. I think I might have missed also. If I'm not wrong, 500 also could have been covered. So I am grateful to the families of my students, my families of the friends there, my ex-students. All these people have contributed because such a huge task. Most of the Indian mithais, the shelf life is very less. It's not designed to be refrigerated. So then I have to do most of the things in 2-3 days there. Finding out what to do, training my students how to do it, then they have to do it. It was really a learning experience for everybody. So such huge, vast varieties of sweets you cannot find anywhere in the world. What you're seeing on my tower there. So grateful to everybody, grateful to people there, and such a learning experience that my students would never ever think that even the industry can also give them. Thank you very much. See, from Bengali sweets to the rasgullas to not very much known from Jharkhand and Bihar, Parwal ka meetha, I think nobody hears about it. Even such small things, that means popular there in Bihar, not known to people, also should be known. Rasgullas and laddus and all these things, everybody knows. But then, Telangana and South have contributed to the highest dessert that you can see there on my tower there. Putarekulu, which is done in Andhra. I had my student trained for Putarekulu there. They've done it there. Pasham from Telangana, my students learned, they're doing it in the hand there. So such are the things that when they do it in the industry, the scope for growth is very, very high.
Has already broken 6 world records, and every year during Christmas we plan to have one new record to be made. So this year the theme that we thought was to have the Indian deserts. Now the reason to choose Indian desert was we see a lot of people giving importance to the European desserts or European confectionery. We had a total of 350 students who participated in making all these desserts. There are a few desserts which are very, very authentic. Probably I would say that even I wouldn't know how to make that. So what we did was we requested the mothers and grandmothers of these kids to try and help us out. A lot of them were very supportive. They even came to the college. They made it, they demonstrated to the students, they learnt it, and here we are where we have almost crossed 400 desserts in the entire tower that we have made. Thank you so much.
How much time taking?
As you say that there are all these milk-based desserts which probably wouldn't have a lot of shelf life. So those were the desserts which we had to make it last night or today morning. But a few desserts which are dry like the laddus or for the burfis, we could make it 2 days in advance. So a total of I think 72 hours of work went on to make this entire tower.